Adamix AI Review. Most people trying AI tools spend more time rewriting prompts than actually getting useful results. Today I'm looking at a platform that's built around a different approach, and I'll give you a straight assessment of whether it justifies the price. Adamix AI is a chat-based platform that combines text, image, and video generation within a single interface. The design principle is that users don't need to learn prompt engineering. Plain language input is enough for the system to produce output. The platform also includes end-to-end encrypted conversations, a feature absent from most comparable tools. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description is my affiliate link. And if you purchase through that link, you will receive some exclusive bonuses from my side. Some discount code, and they have a money-back guarantee as well. Now watch the complete demo video of Adamix AI and understand how it works. I hope you understand how Adamix AI does its magic. Now let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers. First, there is the Adamix AI front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition. Removes all usage limits on text, image, video generation, and workflow automation for a single one-time payment. Second OTO is Agent Mode. Enables autonomous task execution where the platform independently plans, decides, and completes multi-step workflows without user involvement. Third OTO is Done For You. Provides hundreds of pre-built content assets across multiple niches, all with commercial rights included, ready to publish immediately. Fourth OTO is Financial Freedom. Includes Done For You income blueprints, client acquisition strategies, and high-ticket service models for monetizing the platform commercially. Fifth OTO is Enterprise. Unlocks full platform capabilities, premium intelligence mode, maximum processing speed, and all future updates at no additional cost. Sixth OTO is AutoFlow Engine. Adds trigger-based workflow automation that runs continuously, executing and delivering results around the clock without manual input. Seventh OTO is Agency. Allows creation of unlimited client accounts, enabling users to offer Adamix as a managed service while retaining all recurring revenue. Lastly, the eighth OTO is Whitelabel. Lets buyers rebrand and resell Adamix as their own software product, fully hosted with training and support included. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. A one-time payment gives you lifetime access and a commercial license at a price point below most monthly AI subscriptions. The link is below. Grab the launch price before it changes, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and let's keep moving forward together.
Fearless.